All right, so step one is we're going to multiply our A term by our C term. So 1 times 3, right?
Yep.
Okay, let's list out the factors here. 1 and 3, -1, -3. Because remember, we're multiplying to get 3 here. We're not worried about this number yet. We're just trying to get 1 times 3, which is 3. Agreed? Well, 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus, or -1 and -3 is -4. And what's the answer I'm looking for? -4 right here. So that means that it has to be these two numbers. So I'm going to split my x's. And I've got x minus 1 and x minus 3. Cool? Not bad, right? All right.
Does it like matter like
How we write them?
like x minus 3?
Doesn't matter at all. The reason it doesn't matter is because, Charger, right here, you're multiplying. And so we've learned in previous multiplying problems that 2 times 3 is the same as 3 times 2. So it doesn't matter. Other questions? Decent? All right, try 4. Check that email real quick. All right, so step 1 is to multiply and get 2 here.
Oh my goodness. Alright, I'll wait.
You're good.
Figure it
You've literally been standing up there for like 6 seconds. It's good.
Come on, Bennett.
So that pencil sharpener, that blue light will kick on when it's.
Yeah, the past 2 times when the blue light came on, the lead is gone, so.
Sure. All right, we end up with a +3 and a -3. Which one do I want, positive or negative?
Positive.
So now we're going to have x and x, split them up. We got x plus 1 and x plus 2. Easy enough? Okay. All right, what I would like to do now is I'm going to find a bigger problem, one that actually requires us to not just have these nice simple numbers. I don't have one yet, so I'm going to literally find one, and I want to try that one. You understand? Okay. I still don't want to worry about what happens when we have a value in front of that first term. I just want to try this real quick, see where we're at. All right, try this one. X squared plus 8x plus 15. X squared plus 8x plus 15. Easy enough? What do we get?
X plus 3.
Good? Alright, now, what I'm going to do is, because I feel like this is going well, I'm going to go ahead and it's going to be our last problem for the day. I'm going to jump into what it looks like when we have a term in front of the A. I'm going to turn off my screen real quick so we can not have anything in the way. Maybe. Try to.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. 2x squared plus 11x plus 12. Now this is the last one we're going to do today. I'm not expecting you to understand this one. I'm just introducing it because we have a weird amount of time left. Alright, step one is going to be to multiply A times C. What's that going to give me? 24. Now we're going to list out all the factors of 24. So we're going to have 1 and 24, 2 and, 3 and, sorry, I read a 13. 3 and 8, 4 and, and am I done there? Okay, so I'm done with my positives. But now I got to do my negatives. I'm going to go ahead and list those out as well, which we know it's just going to be -1 and -24, -2 and -12, -3 and -8, -4 and -6. Everybody good there? Now what number am I trying to add these up to find? 11. Well, this one gives me 25, this one gives me 14, this one gives me 11, so what numbers do I have to choose? 3 and 8. Now here is where this changes from the last problem. The reason we cannot just put the 3 and the 8 is because this little booger right here, this 2 is changing everything. So let me show you how we're going to rewrite this problem now. 2x squared plus 3x plus 8x plus 12. 2x squared plus 3x plus 8x plus 12. Anybody see what I did there? What did I do? Somebody that sees it, just try to explain. AJ, what did I do?
Just split up the 11.
Do we agree that 3x and 8x still equals 11? So theoretically, I did not change this problem at all. All I did was I just made it longer. Can we agree though? But if I were to simplify this problem by combining 3x and 8x, don't I get this same answer up here? So I have not changed the problem. All right, now watch this next step. I'm going to take the first two terms, I'm going to put those in parentheses. I'm going to take the second two terms, I'm going to put those in parentheses. Because again, what are we trying to do? We're trying to take this trinomial and convert it into two binomials. Okay, is everybody with me there? 2x squared plus 3x, 8x plus 12. Anybody want to guess what our final step's going to be? Close, you're close. But if I foiled it, what's it going to do? It's going to make it a trinomial again. We're going to simplify them. What can I divide both of these numbers by? Can I take a 2 out of a 3? I cannot do that. Do we agree? But what do they both have that I can... They both have an x. Which means if I pull an x out, I'm left with x parentheses 2x plus 3. Everybody okay there? Remember we talked about this last week? Let's go to the other side. What can I divide both of these numbers by? A 4. What do you notice about my parentheses? They're the same. So guess what? One of your answers is going to be 2x plus 3. Anybody want to guess what the other answer is going to be? Nope, not 2x plus 3.
2x minus 3.
Nope, good guess, Clea. Connor?
x4 squared, or 4x squared.
Very close. So I got this one answer because these two both checked out, and this other answer is what I factored by, the x and the 4. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. We'll pick up with this idea tomorrow. Do you understand? We'll pick up with it tomorrow. You have no homework tonight.